Thank you, Chair. India is moving towards fulfilling its SDG targets and ILO's mandate for social justice and decent work. The quality of existing jobs is improving, along with the addition of large number of decent work opportunities for the existing unemployed and the new entrants to the labour force, including women, youth, and the differently abled. The international labour standards are the cornerstone for advancing principles of governance in the world of work. They have been instrumental in mitigating the consequences of economic and social crisis and are a powerful instrument for labour governance in the increasingly globalized and technologically driven world of work. Social dialogue is one of the core pillars of decent work. It is a vital link between the international labour standards system and a country's legal and social policy framework. Majority of India's labour regulatory system, including industrial relations laws, social security laws, welfare legislations, etc., as its social policy focus have evolved alongside the international labour standards. India has undertaken path-breaking reforms in amalgamation, simplification, and codification of its labour laws into 4 labour codes, namely the Code on Wages, the Code on Social Security, the Industrial Relations Code, the Occupational Safety, Health and Working Conditions Code. The new labour codes provide integrated pathways towards robust formalization of the informal workers and enterprises. India has extended the legal coverage of social security to the unorganized sector, migrant workers, self-employed, gig and platform workers, and resulted in enhancing the coverage of informal workers under social security benefit and formalization. The government has taken various initiatives to eliminate discrimination in employment occupation. The Code on Wages provides universal minimum wages across the formal and informal sector. It prohibits gender discrimination in matters of wages, recruitment of employees. The government has amended rules allowing women to work in underground coal mines during daytime and in open cast mines, bringing gender equity, generating job opportunities. The maternity bill has extended the 12 weeks maternity leave to 26 weeks. A major chunk of India's workforce is in the unorganized sector, including vulnerable sections of the country's workforce, and as part of its mission and employment, has also launched the National Career Service Portal to provide a variety of job opportunities to the unemployed. Recognizing the importance of evidence-based policy making, India has launched the e-Shram portal. The database serves as a national repository for workers in the unorganized sector to seek and have access to social security benefits. Are at the core of fundamental principles and rights at work. With regard to the core conventions that India has ratified, the country has taken significant steps to realize those objectives, and in several framework on forced labour exceeds the minimum standards set by the conventions. The informal economy, being an important part of India's workforce, accounts for a significant portion of the employment and economic activity, and several initiatives have been taken in that direction to improve skills, and various schemes have been launched for lifelong learning of the workers in the informal economy. India's commitment to ensuring the social well-being of the citizens is evident through a diverse range of in-kind social protection measures, which encompass free subsidized cooking gas, cash transfers, agriculture crop insurance, and so on, enhancing the quality of life for Indian citizens and providing essential safety nets. That upon completion of the 3rd Decent Work Country Program for India, ILO, in consultation with the constituents, has renewed and launched the 4th Decent Work Country Program for 2023-27, identifying a set of decent work priorities and outcomes for implementation, including promotion of fundamental principles and rights at work. In the end, I would like to emphasize strong collaboration among member countries is required for developing strategies, action plans, taking into account international labour standards, and tackle decent work deficits, particularly those faced by workers in the informal economy, in supply chains, with a focus on women and the youth. I would like to reiterate that promotion of fundamental principles and rights and its realization is a global agenda, and we together are capable of contributing our best towards it. Thank you very much.